Can this be already my Father's Day gift, even though it's from your money? Who knows? Kahubobo lagi ta. Sige lang. Wow, wadyo damha guys na mamalit day kung pang lalaki na mga gamit. Uh-huh. What? Why?
Good.
Look at the height, baby. Go, go, go. You have to. Fancy. Oh, it's okay. You want to go? It's okay. Where are you going?
I'm not doing anything.
We're going to the doctor. Yeah, go. Okay. See you? Yeah? That one there. Cleaning the grass. Yeah? Cleaning the grass. Yeah. Hi Francis. Antay kami sa bus at ang bus namin 9:21 na bus. Pansin. Pansin is there. Tell them where are you going. Hey guys, good morning. Oh, you got awa? Nasa bus station kami. Papunta kami ng doktor kasi check up ni Francine today. Ngayon at 9:50. So hi guys. Wait. Nag-order lang ako ng Happy Meal sa kanila. Here, Francine. Merong ano dito eh. Uy, nagilabay na. Yeah. Gini, meron pa kaming 30 minutes ata. Tapos nag-order na lang ako ng ano. Yeah. Careful. 2 cheeseburger. Tapos Happy Meal. Tapos meron na siyang juice. Then, apple na bayo. What's that there? But Francine is so brave. Put that back. You're not brave? She cried. And Francis so cried. He wanted the two of them were crying. You hungry? Yeah? Where's your awabi? But you are brave. Right? Francine is so brave. Makain sila nuggets, yung Happy Meal na fries. Nabudol na po ni Francine guys. Oh. Bumili siya nito. Nabudol ako. Tagapunta talaga. Cuckoo. Yeah, but finish your food first. Here, come. Come on here. Pinalaro ko lang muna to sila si Francine guys kasi Hindi nagpunta ng kindergarten ngayon. Show me your awa, be. That's ito lang. Kunti lang yung kinuhang dugo. At merong result na. Okay naman yung blood test niya. No?
I want to go and doctor.
Yeah. You don't wanna go anymore?
Not.
Okay. That. Show me. Yung isa guys, namili na pagsuoton niya guys. So, that one on.
Yeah.
And with what?
I want to do shopping, Mama.
Wait, you go in kindergarten, okay? So you can play there. Kinuha na naman niya yung unicorn niya na long sleeve guys. At ang unique, alam niyo ba yung unicorn na upper niya is only 3 I think. Ikaapat yung dress. Yan, 4 balik-balik suotin niya. And then pati mga leggings. Basta may unicorn yun. Hay, ginawa ko ng bataan eh. Marunong na talaga siya mag-pick kung anong susuotin niya. Francine, say good morning. Come here, close. Cuddle, mama. Good morning.
No.
Brother also here. Oh, a bit sick pa man eh, guys. Lagnat pa
You have
din.
awa
Yeah, he has awa.
in his face.
Guys, unboxing in the street. Kasi hindi wala ako kahapon sa bahay, so kailangan ko i-pick
You
up.
can take off your mask now. You're alone here.
Kailangan ko siya i-pick up dito. But baby, there
And
is,
here's Mr.
baby, but I cannot do this here. We need a scissor. Can we not just take it at home?
You can.
Struggle is real. Ang laki kasi niya, tapos hindi namin makarry lahat. So, i-open na namin dito para belt lang to eh. Okay. Yeah, it's a
My God, such a big box for such a small thing.
This is for Frank for work.
Set that back. Yeah. That's too expensive.
Can this be already my Father's Day gift, even though it's from your money? And then,
Yeah, it's cool.
no, I like it.
Yeah,
I like it
that's really
also because it's very simple.
That sign is everywhere, even if it's plastic. Yeah,
What? Yeah. What everywhere? What is that?
That's the letter sign.
Yeah.
Even though it's
Okay.
not leather, it shows.
It's leather. Can you?
Yeah, but I need to make new holes here because I'm not that fat.
In the street na nag-unboxing in the street. Naniwang si Francis, guys. Kasi ilang araw na siyang may lagnat. Tapos, awa-awa. Gigi. Come here. You go there. You go there. You go there. Come here. Come. Come here. Punta kami dito. Upo kami dito. Come. Come. Come here. Yeah. Looy, ang bata ay naniwang, guys. Naniwang. Kigilantan man yung tao ni. Hindi kailangan pa namin ipacheck yung ihi. Thank you. Mayor is having cappuccino. Thank you. Kape muna kami dito, guys. Stay muna kami dito saglit. It's coffee, B. And Francis is eating baby carrots. This is coffee, man, B. It's hot. Hot. Puste. Cheers. If I get pregnant again, I want it to be twins. We don't say no anymore. It's a blessing.
Yeah, but it must be twins. What's happening if there's not?
Who knows? But it's not in our family either, having twins. So,
And I'm probably not old enough to be able to shoot twins.
yeah, that's what they're saying.
Yeah, my ear. It's really.
Should disinfect that maybe. You probably shaved that, Buddha?
Yeah, for sure I did, of course. Always do, actually. Except for now.
It's yummy, their coffee.
Yeah.
Gonna taste this better, like this better.
The cream inside.
Maybe that's why the
Creamy milk
that's why
that I add.
okay. Probably that's why so many people is
It's like 100% fat. Since you want to have 1.5% fat milk, that is going to ruin your whole week. In just one cappuccino.
You want this clumping? Your saliva there. No, this is coffee. You cannot have this. He wants the coffee.
It's hot. You feel it? It's hot, man. Yeah,
Blow, blow.
touch. You've got such cold hands. So you don't want that anymore?
Invite Mama. Hi! Hello! Hello! Kanina pa kami kauwi pero napatulog namin si Francis kasi may lagnat nga to guys. Tapos ilang araw na ba? Tapos napunta naman na napacheck up ko naman to sa doktor pero hindi pa din nawala yung ano niya. Baka ano to sa ngipon ba? So pauwi na Kauwi na nga kami. Tapos kakagising niya lang, tapos kumain siya. Bilib ko ng batang to kasi kahit may gibate, kumakain talaga, pero at least ba. So, lagay ko kayo dito. Kasi mag-unbox tayo. Against the light man tayo, oy. Ayan. Ayan. Agoy, bugat. Kugos yung taong pirmi. Doon ta sa sala, Iwan natin to i-unbox kasi yung belt kanina, di ba, in-unbox natin sa daan kasi malaki kasi yung box, guys. Tapos ang madami kaming bit-bit. So in-unbox namin siya sa labas. Mga kids doon kumakain ng dinner nila.
Hello.
Ayan sila. Ano to? Si Ila nasa kusina, si Fancy natutulog from nap, hindi pa nagising. Hindi na siguro, matulog na siguro to straight pagkuan. So, unbox natin to. Hey, Dong. Unbox natin yan, Dong. Ayun, Dong. Ba! Na may mga nilayhay sa luyo. Ayan, unbox natin to. Sapatos to ni Francis Tadang! It's a Marvel shoes, guys. Wait. Dito kay against the light man, oy. Because it's gonna be... Yan! Hali, Francis. Come, Francis. Ang cute nito, oh. Nakasale sa Adidas. Tapos Marvel shoes sa Captain America. Ano yata to? Kinuha ko. Sana magkasya ni Francis. Medyo malaki ata to. Wala ka, cool, guys. Is this your shoes? Ha? Ayun. Ah, Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel. Marvel Superhero Adventures pala na shoes. Ala. Captain America. Ah, si Captain America nga. Oh, ayan, oh. Si Captain America, manggod. Oo, Captain America. Ayan. Size 24. Kasi maliit na yung shoes ni Francis. Yeah, is that yours? Yay! Saya niya, oh. Saya niya. Kaubok ko sa kung sinina kay luwag siya sa akin, uy. Sa ano to ba? Yung damit ko, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sa H&M to, tapos meron ako nitong purple na in-order ko. Tapos, ayan, oh. Medium yung size na unang kinuha ko. Tapos yung color niya is purple. Malaki siya sa akin. So, nag-order ako ulit. Ito naman ang kulay. Small naman yung kinuha ko. Malaki pa din siya. Lawlaw ba? So, pura siya. Mura ko o ka ng... Tiguang. Mura ko. Tiguang daw na si Ilagoy biskot. Mura ko makahubo. So, ako lang siyang hindi ko na siya sinauli. Oy, kay kahasulan ko sa uli. Hindi ko na siya sinauli. Sinuot ko lang siya pero magkahubo lagi tao. Wala po tayo. Tay ko ang good. Wala man tayo. Di man tabon da. Hala, ang cute niya. Oh, dong. Cute. Cute man dahil ni dong. No. Ayan. Hala, cute siya. O, gagi. Kuha ng camera, guys. Ay, ito lang, guys. Big, masuko siya, guys. Oh. For here, manigay ko mi just like be. Sukod na mo. Ako mo anha di siya sa camera oy. Don. It's okay. Adyo damhan mo malit day ko mga gamit pang lalaki. Adyo damha agoy gikuha ng lens patay. So to na to la. Kapis ko. Oh, that's fancy. Gidala na ako dire. Ananang da yung medyas dire. Ganda ng sapatos ni Francis, bay. Captain America, bay. Oh, Captain America. Okay, ini shoes, be. So, hatag niya yung tail, guys. Hatag niya yung tail. Kahubo lagi ta. Sige lang. Wow. Wadyo damha, guys. Na mamalit day kung pang lalaki na mga gamit. Ang cute naman nito. Ang cute naman. Wow! Gusto niya suotin. Tingnan niyo. Gusto niya suotin ang sapatos. Gusto niya suotin ang sapatos. Halaka. Nahuwasan naman eh. Wala na siya nag-init, guys. Pero problema nito, balik-balik yung hilanat niya. Tapos yung doktor, sabi, ang ihi daw lagi. Kaya mo i-laboratory. Baka daw kasi infection. Pero hindi pa ako nakasalod ng ihi niya. Kaya dapat pagsalod, maximum 1 hour. Dapat mahatid ko na sa clinic. Tapos, naman, lisod man kayo magsalod pa. Nahirapan ako. Ayan. Alaka, ang ganda ng sapatos ni Francis. Oy. Ganda, uy. Ganda pa ng tali, oh. Panative pa yung tali nila, guys. Panative. Wow! Show me? Show me, Francis? Wow. Stand up. Walk. Wow! Sapot man ni Yun na lang nako, guys. Kaya sige pa kugos.